So something every Woodstone operator needs to be aware of is what's going on with their radiant flames. If your radiant flame goes out, that can really set you back for the day. It can be 24 hours before you can use your oven again. So at the first sign of any trouble with the radiant flames, there's something you need to know. So the left side radiant flame, for whatever reason, it tried to light, but it didn't. What that tells me is that there's probably debris in the burner. That is the most common cause of one of our radiant flames not working. So I'm going to shut off the oven, and I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to get back in business, to get this oven operational again. All right, so to blow this burner out, first I need to get access to it. These flame guards are just sitting in there under their own weight. So carefully, because these are always hot, never grab them with your bare hands. Scoot that out of the way with the bubble hook or whichever tool seems appropriate. And then using a shop vac with the hose hooked to the exhaust port. So this shop vac is now a blower. I'm going to get in there and I'm going to blow toward the back of that burner well and try and blow any debris off that igniter. Little noise. That's all it takes. If it's going to work, that's all it takes to make it work. Just a little bit of debris on that igniter can keep the pilot from lighting. So before I put that flame guard back in place, I'm going to make sure that I've solved the problem and that I've blown the debris off that igniter. I just push the on button. I can see that the igniters are on. I have decorative flame and both sides have lit. So we solved the problem simply by blowing the debris out of the burner well. We just saved ourselves about $450 on a service call that wasn't necessary. So now you just want to be careful when moving this flame guard around. It is a little tippy. Go ahead and get it in place, get it oriented, and then move it on back. If you ever have both flame guards out of this oven, you will find that there is a left and a right. They are labeled left and right. The other key to which flame guard is which is this blocked out portion of the grid. That should always be toward the back of the oven. Might take a couple little adjustments to get it right where you want it, but once it's in there, you're all set.